Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy messy low updo. To start, I've sectioned off some hair around the face and I'm going to divide the hair in half and we're going to clip the left hand side out of the way for later. On that right hand side again we're just going to section that in half and put each one of those halves into a small ponytail at the nape of the neck. And then just repeat on the left hand side, so split that section in half and pop each one of those halves into a small ponytail. So you should be left with 4 ponytails. Now we're going to take some texture spray and pop it all over the top of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description box below for you. And then just use your fingers to gently pinch and pull at the hair to give it a little bit more texture. Now we're going to take that first ponytail, twist it towards the head and join it with the third ponytail using a clear elastic band. Take some more of your texture spray and give that twist a little spray and then gently pinch and pull that twist apart. Then just slip a bobby pin through the centre of that twist to hold it against the head. And we're going to do the same steps again with the far right ponytail. We're going to twist it all the way towards the head, bring it over to the ponytail that's now on the far left and join them together with a clear elastic band. Add your texture spray and really pinch and pull that twist apart. Slip a bobby pin through the centre of the twist. Now taking the ponytail on the left hand side, we're going to split this in half and twist it towards the head, and then we're going to bring it straight up and over the top of that little bun we've created. And we're going to slip a bobby pin on the left hand side and also on the right hand side. Apply more texture spray to that twist and pinch and pull it apart. And then just slip a bobby pin through the left hand side of that twist to keep everything close to the head. And then just repeat on the right hand side. So split the ponytail in half, twist it towards the head, bring it up and over the top of the bun, pin it to the head on the right hand side, and then tuck the ends underneath and pin it on the left hand side. Apply your texture spray and pinch and pull. Now just slip a bobby pin through the centre of the twist. So taking the last bit of hair on the left hand side, again we're going to twist this towards the head, bring it up to the right hand side of the bun and pin it with a bobby pin or two. Apply more texture spray and pinch and pull it apart. Then we're just going to push it up towards the previous twist on both the left and right hand side and secure it with a couple of bobby pins. And last but not least, take the rest of the hair, twist it towards the head, apply some texture spray, and we're going to bring this up to the left hand side of the bun. Pin it to the head and pinch and pull your twist apart, and don't forget to add a bobby pin on the opposite side to keep it nice and secure. If you have any tail ends left over, just wrap these around your finger and then pin them up against the side of the bun. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.